There's not really an intro in today's video, but I will say something. And this particular video was actually recorded around maybe, I think it was 2, maybe 3 weeks ago. Just a quick little drive around the car. So just stick around for that so you can see all the updates and so forth of what's going on. But I just wanted to come up in here real quickly just to say to you guys and appreciate everything you guys done for me so far, which has helped me get to 500 subs right there on the screen. You see it. 500. We got this. And we're going to keep pushing forward and elevating as much as we can. And with that being said, 1K. Road to 1K is here. Let's get it. Yo guys, here's me, and we're just gonna be driving the car a little bit. Why are we driving the car? I need to waste the gas on it so I can do that fuel pump. I still got all these parts, but that's okay. So I basically got to do a whole lot of things to all the cars that I got currently at the moment. Look at this guy. Looks like a little jig up. Anyway, I got to do a fuel pump on a Cobra, this car that I'm driving right now, Venom. I also got to do a, what's it called? The exhaust. It's very important when I get the chance. But yeah, I just want to drive the car, give a little POV action, you know, the usual. Because I like driving this car. It's very fun. Look at this jerk off, man. So it's gonna be hard for me to see. That's great. I think I'm gonna go make a left, go up the road, punch it a few times, and that's about it. I gotta do the fuel pump on this car. Probably said it already. The exhaust, I think I said that too. I gotta do the turn signal assembly. This thing needs to be changed. It's actually garbage. It works now, but it's really not that good. I got a window regulator. That's gotta get done. And I just don't have enough money, guys. I really don't. There's a lot of money that needs to be spent on this damn car. On all the cars. The truck needs a sound system. It doesn't even need it. I'm just choosing to do it. So that's fun. But let's see. What else I need done? The Aspen, I gotta change the oil again because it just happens. I need to change the oil. I guess everybody wants to race today. Let's see something.
Piece of junk.
But I hope you guys are doing good. I'm still trying to give you guys videos, clearly, because I'm trying to do this one. But I got a spacer video coming up. Probably seen it. You probably haven't. I don't know when I'm putting that up exactly. Still got to do some editing, which is always a good thing. The state's out today. That's great.
I feel safer already.
I got a lot of things to do. I really do. So I'm sorry for the lackluster-esque thing of not having content. I don't know what I just said, but I said something. I still gotta put the SVE wheels on this car, but I also want to lower it. That's great. I don't know when we're gonna do that. Fall's around here now, so maybe we'll have a little bit of time to do certain things. Maybe we won't. But I don't know. I truly don't know. The time is just the craziest part, man. Summer's over. Like we're already about to be in September, which is crazy. I can't believe that. That's unreal. It's unreal. It really is. And I'm just flabbergasted by the whole deal. I don't even know what that means. What does that mean? Can someone tell me? I don't know. We're running that. Sure, yeah, okay. Got it, buddy. Guys, yeah, all right. This is really just a video. I just want to give a little quick drive with the car and whatnot, just so that I'm still driving it. I have it. I just gotta waste a whole bunch of gas to do this fuel pump thing, and I might need a clutch soon. I don't know. I really don't know at this point. I just drive and let the world do what it needs to. But honestly, guys, this is pretty much the video. I just wanted to just give a little, I guess, update per se, and just show me driving the car once again. And you know, a lot of people looking at me, and I really don't appreciate it. I don't like it one bit. But it's your boy Chris Rod. There's not much to say right now. Don't worry, guys. More videos are coming on the way. It's just timing. Really, just kind of sucks for me. I'll be honest, it sucks. And with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video in particular, be sure to leave a like. You know, support your boy. Don't forget, smash the subs up. How do I do my outros? How do I do them? You know, wait, hold on. Let's do that again. So that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to smash the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell, and hope that I get better at driving. Until then, it's been your boy Chris Rod, and I see all you beautiful people on the next one. Peace.